we go out a lot on weekends. Actually, this Saturday, I want to go to the beach.
And when did you realize
He was young. He was less than 3 years old.
less than 2 years? And we realized only after, oh sorry, 200%, only after 3 years.
Well, I mean, when they realize they say at the beginning they say developmental delay, and then you hope there is nothing, but it was.
But I think that because one of my relatives, she's working and she said that Vladimir, my brother, his ex-wife, yes, they made some mistakes when they were bringing up the boy. For example, they all spoke to him in different languages. Vladimir talked to him only in Russian, Katya talked to him only in Greek. They spoke with each other in English, and Misha went to French kindergarten where he spoke French. And the teacher, I mean my relative, she said, you should speak only one language.
Yeah.
And one of you should quit from your work. Stop working. At least one of you. You should pay attention to your kids. He will be okay. Somehow. Much better than finally.
Maybe much better or maybe not, but who can know? I mean, I could have not quit my job. I didn't have enough money.
Do you have somebody who can help you?
Well, I had a lot of care, but now because of COVID and stuff, my husband is home. He retired and he takes care of me.
So, and does he speak Romanian?
A little bit. I mean, he understands perfectly, and he also English.
Very good. So, and Misha now he speaks mostly Greek.
He's verbal.
Yes, but he understands Russian and uses French. Very interesting.
Oh, you're gonna meet Michael. My husband is gonna wait for me with Michael.
Oh,
and the dog.
really?
Yeah.
What a good tradition. So your husband meets you?
Yeah.
Further. Husband meets?
Sometime ago, I was also meeting you.
Oh, really? Did
Do you
you?
remember when we were working? I came to the office.
But it was 30 years ago.
So what?
So, it's not true already. Yeah, there were challenges. Well, this was the 90s in Russia, and I had to work at 3 workers.
3 jobs?
3 jobs, yes. Because his salary was 0. Minus 0. Yes, and I worked hard, part-time. But after some time, I became a lazy lady. And
Do you guys have children?
yes, we have 2 children, and growing to have the
You
fourth.
told me that your daughter is in
Yes, yes. But we have 2 grandsons. One grand